What's up, guys? So car is fixed, it's ready to drive. Now, this is what I'm doing. I wrap again in 7G carbon fiber. So of course it's not real carbon fiber, it's a wrap. And you see the two gauges here. One is where the clock was, because my clock was broken anyways. $400. I'm not gonna pay $400 to look at the time. And the gauge is more useful here on this side here. Now the other one, as you see, it's on the vent. So we install the vent one. It's a 3D printed, very good quality. The gauges are very tight, so you need to sand a little bit this part or the gauge, you can choose one, and then disassemble this here, which is your vent. It comes on a thing like this and it's stuck behind the dash cover you saw, right? So you take it apart, break it open like this, save that little part, and then we're gonna put the new one like this, and it turns just like the other one. Now we are going to put everything back together, but before I need to make the connections, and this is what I'm doing. This is the gauge, the AM, which is going on this side here. I poke a little hole on the vent and it's coming out here. The other one is the oil temp sensor, goes right here, right? And the third is the boost pressure. So the boost pressure goes around here. That's going to be perfect right there, but we need to connect them all. And this is the deal right here. I have 8 parts in here, and I just crimped those connectors like this. This is the headlight. I'm not going to connect. I'm going to do like this because if I need to replace one, it's easy for me to just depin it, put a new one, good to go. I also pin the other two. I'm gonna also put a pin here for the data signal that goes to the ECU, which is still hanging in there. I just need to put everything away now. Okay, so I just need to focus on red, black, and the last one is the signal. So I'm gonna put 3 reds on the top, 3 blacks on the bottom. There you go. Connection is clean. I connected on the clock that I took it out, and I connected this gauge for now. Well, they are all there. It's just they're not connecting to the gauge. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that's gonna be so awesome. Oh man, look, and can point to me. I can see this very clear. Now I just need to connect the other ones here. It's already powered. Now we are talking. And this moves, so I can point that to me. So this is the preview of the view that I'm gonna have. Look at that. Now if we turn off and on, nice, I can change to the color I want. See, red if I want. So cool. And there you go, guys, everything is set. Top, left, bottom. The wrap is not good. This wrap is too thick, but I'm gonna leave it for now. The old one was better because it was thinner, but yeah, look at this. It's a very good product. So if you see those vents adapters, that's how they are. Look at that. So this is good. I can see through the steering wheel or from the side, whatever it fits me better when I sit back here. And that's it. I am ready to go for a ride. Alright, so we're driving successfully on the street. And you know, tune seems to be good somehow.
It's like that struggle make you twice as bright. So keep shining, my dude. Keep shining. Come on. Yeah, I learned a long time ago how it happens when you get it cracking. That's when cats